For this hands-on practice, we're going to configure responsive images with the picture, source, and image element. So I'm going to create a new folder, and this is going to be Chapter 8 Picture. I'm going to go into my starters folder, and I want the large, medium, small, and fallback images. Copy those over. Go into my chapter 1, get my template copy. Open that up in Notepad. Remember, it's just a blank page. We're going to call this picture element. Come in here, H1, picture element, H1. Oops, didn't mean to. File, save as, index.html. So there we have it. So now we're going to code picture. Source media equals min width 1200 pixels src equals large.jpg. So then, if the minimum width is 800, we want it to use the medium. And now if it is 320, we want it to use the small. Fallback image. Alternate text is a water wheel. So if we launch it in Chrome, we can see here's our large image. And then if we make our browser smaller, our medium image, and then our small image. So we can actually specify, depending on the user's viewport, what image we want displayed.